because you guys, it is time to get into drag. Look at this, beard and no beard. I was very inspired by Nikki tutorial. She made an amazing video on half makeup and half not. So today I got inspired to give you guys a little drag moment while I do half my face to show you guys how much makeup I actually wear. Wow. I wear a lot of makeup. Get ready, get a brush, let's get this poppin'. You guys, today you guys are gonna go ahead and follow me in my journey from my bathroom to my studio and the process of making a video. I actually really love using Manscaped because they do have tons and tons of options on the perfect way to groom a male. Me and my partner, we use Manscaped together. I know tons and tons of my influencer friends and also a lot of my dancers, a lot of people that want to groom themselves. Manscaped is the way to go. These are super easy and very masculine products that you can give to your loved one. So this is the Lawnmower 2.0. It's a body groomer, so the perfect way to refine the gentleman. And honestly, I use this to trim my beard. All my men out there, y'all know y'all need to keep it together and keep it gorgeous. It's super quiet and it super cuts fast. Let me see if I can even like... Oh wow, I thought it was so short. So there you guys go. That is the stunning lawnmower, and you can get that also at Manscaped. Now, when I start to shave my face, I like to start off with really warm water. When the water is super warm, it does help me shape my skin better because I do have a very hairy face. I take my shaving cream and I like really make sure it's completely covered. This is actually a lot of shaving cream. I forgot that I was really hot face. I actually love this razor. It's a straight blade, it's easy, it's clean, and it's so easy to use. And it's called the Plow. And then inside it does have the actual straight razor, and then there's refillable. So there's pieces here. So obviously we change our blades here and there. You usually know when you change your blade when it starts to get kind of skippy. That's usually how I know. And then now we're gonna go ahead and start shaving. And it's like a clean shave, literally clean shave. Now I'm done with half my face. We're gonna go ahead and rinse. Literally, there you guys go. That is by Manscaped, the Plow. Love this one. So literally after that, I just take it, I just put it right back in my case. And there you guys go. Go ahead and use my code Kimora20 and get some money off. You guys, Manscaped, shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for getting me together. I love it, look at that. All right, you guys, Manscaped, everything is linked down below. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna take it to my studio. All right, you guys, we just made it to my studio. Hit up Manscaped right now. Manscaped you can get at a Target, an Ulta, or if you guys want to use my code, just get some money off, you guys can hit up Manscaped in Instagram or online and go ahead and use my code Kimora20 and get some money off. As you guys can tell here, I literally shaved half my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in half drag. And today's video was super inspired by one of my favorite makeup gurus in the world. This is Nikki tutorial. She is fucking stunning. And she did do a video where half her face was in makeup and half wasn't. She was able to show the world that makeup is something to be celebrated. I think makeup is one of those amazing things that people need to celebrate. You guys know I do drag for multiple different reasons. One of the top reasons why I do it is because I love to showcase transformation, and I love to showcase that being feminine, masculine, it doesn't matter who you are, what you do, or what you look like, you can do drag. I'm feeling very creative, and I kind of want to do like something stunning and fun. I already primed my eye with a little bit of eyeshadow potion. Technically, I put this on my lips so my lipstick doesn't run. So that's a little hint right there, you guys. Actually, I'm gonna do some right now. I don't really use the doe foot that it comes with because I like to really get up in there and prime. So I take it and I just take a little bit like that. I just put it on my lip. And I sometimes like to put it on my nose. Like, why not? Pressing into the eye. So today, my transformation eye is gonna be Blue Blood. I think Blue Blood is gonna be a really cool palette. So everything is pretty much ready to go on this side. This side. I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Mint Tea and really bring it into the crease. When it comes to like my bridge of my nose, I like to really define that part. So I just take a brush and I just kind of go like that. Wow. You can like really go crazy with this color because it's so light. Oh wow. So once that mint tea color is on, I take a smaller brush, and now what I want to do is that I'm gonna work my colors going darker, and I'm gonna layer it and making sure like the fade is phenomenal. I'm gonna take Blue Blood, really define that crease just like that. Not only you're blending it, but you're adding color and dimension to that eye. See how it's starting to fade? And then when you're done with that, I like to kind of continue with the same color and like bring it underneath. I always like to do my eyes first, especially if I'm like doing stuff with color. What I do is I take it and I kind of just fade it very softly. Ooh, I think I should do that. Taking the color Blue Monday and really defining that. And what Blue Monday is gonna do is it's gonna give you like a nice blue where it's not so like light. And it's gonna kind of bring in that nice blue fade. So as you guys can see, it's starting to come together a little bit. I'm gonna take a smaller brush, and what this is gonna do is that it's really gonna define that crease. Take this color Cremated, and let's go ahead and just bring it in this inner corner. See how it's really defining that? And I take that same color, and I like to bring it on the bottom. And I take it and I just really blend it all around. Take this color called Undertaker and really blend in that edge. I love this eye shape on me. My favorite part ever is cutting the crease. This is like a perfect time to cut the crease because everything is kind of blended. And if you guys notice that I didn't really put any color right here. So that's kind of like where I'm gonna cut the crease. I never really like to put a lot of shadow underneath where I'm cutting the crease because it can get kind of like too thick and it won't cut clean. Taking a very, very fine, thin brush. And I usually like to keep the product just like this. And I just take it and I just kind of paint it like so. And I just cut away. It's a lot of blue and it's a lot of matte, but we're gonna go in with some shimmer and really give it like a nice kick. And now the P.LOUISE products, like they dry themselves and they kind of set itself, but I like to kind of go back and really add more on. Now what we want to do is we want to make it super shine. So this color in here called Entitled, take a flat brush and now let's go ahead and just paint on top. I want to make it really, really shimmery. I've been doing drag since I was like 17. I'm 31, and honestly, like I've just been really addicted to drag because it's just a great way to show off like your artistry. I have fun in it, and honestly I love bending the rules of what is feminine and what's masculine. I love bending the rules. I think a lot of people are very scared to do drag, and a lot of people are very scared to wear color. I try to be as creative as I can. Like when it comes to like being creative, why not? Right now, I just pulled out Jeffree Star. This color is called Gag Me. This is the new Extreme Highlighters. And I'm just taking my brush and I'm just really dabbing it on top. And what this is doing, it's actually like giving me that shimmer that I want. So you guys, I just got a good idea. Because it's so blue, I feel like I should bring the blue back more. What do you guys think? I actually do need a black. So what I do with the black is that I actually take it and I just really blend in that color. See how that just literally tied everything in? So, I love a thick liner. Liner is like the thing. Keep your eyes open. That's the trick. And I just jammed this Morphe liner into my eye. Great. Now, when it comes to the liner, it's really important that you guys go up. And it's only because what we do with the lashes is that the lashes does go up. I like to kind of have my eyes really open, and because of my eye shape, when I do lashes, it does look kind of droopy. I can't just wear like a simple lash. I take the liner and I just really draw above my crease, and I take a little brush and I just really blend it out, and this really allows it to be very smoky and pretty. Let's go ahead and get some foundation on. I love to use the Mayron, and it's only because it's just really thick. I'm going to do half my face, just wear. And that's pretty much like how much I would use. And I take it and I just use a beauty blender and I just really pack it on. I think I'm going to do like some blue up here. So once the foundation color is on, you want to make sure it's super evenly spread. Now something that I do is really weird, but I go like this. That just allows me to stretch my skin out, and I can really make sure it's on. When it comes to the highlight, go ahead and use a lighter color. Some people go really light. I like to kind of go more like a very soft white. Just because it really gives you like a nice fade. Okay, now once it's super blended, I love to use the Ben Nye setting powder. I recommend anything that's translucent, so it keeps the color that you use. And then once it's set, take a brush and just kind of dust off all that loose powder. This side feels so like different than this side. I love to use like a lighter powder, so shout out to Urban Decay for sending me some goodies. Now we are so excited about this because they have a new vegan long wear formula where the real skin is matte and it's weightless and breathable. So shout out to Urban Decay. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I think it's all gonna fall just like that. So in the front here, you guys, they came out with the new Stay Naked The Fix and also Stay Naked The Threesome Blush, and then we have concealers and foundations. This is the Stay Naked The Fix. This is a 16-hour wear powder foundation with charcoal infused sponge. This is the gorgeous case that it comes in. You pop it open and it looks like so. So this is what I'm going to use for my highlight. And then what I usually do with my highlight, you guys, I take a brush like so. This is a Hank & Henry brush and I just kind of press it into the powder. I kind of draw like a line, just a line like that. It's kind of hard to do half your face, but we'll deal, we'll manage. And what this does is that it just creates like super dimension between like your bronzer and your highlight. This is my favorite brush by Morphe. This is the Gold Y7 and I just bronze right away. You guys know I love a bronzer. I love to warm up my skin. Look at this coverage, you guys. So stunning. I love the Mayron. They're phenomenal. Now we're gonna go back to Blue Blood. You guys have always seen in my videos, I love to kind of fan out the color and really bring it into my hairline. It just kind of adds like this nice blue moment. See how it kind of fans out? I'm gonna take this color Flourishing. I take it and I just kind of really tie in my eyeshadow. And then I take that black eyeshadow or something darker. It's so pretty. And I take that color and I just really bring it up. So that definitely worked. I truly think this needs like a pop of color. So what I usually do is I like to take this brush right here. This is the JS22. And what I usually do is I say, you know what? I'm gonna pull out a rainbow palette and see what really makes this pop. I'm actually thinking maybe a hot pink. This color is called SF. It's almost like a magenta. Oh, see, that's pretty. Just to kind of really give it like a nice little kick. Oh, wow, that's pretty. So I just take a little bit of that pink and just add it right there. And then taking like a smaller brush and really deepening up this inner corner. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm using the color Truth. Oh, wow. And sometimes that just kind of makes it more blue. You get what I'm saying? Look at more blue. Let's go and add in some more like, let's just add in some more shit. I just want to add more shit in. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a bronzer. We love to bronze. Bronzing is like our thing. And it's also like contouring. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna contour and just really contour that chin. Like you really sculpt the face to become alive and more feminine, as you guys would say, snatched. We wanna make sure like the bronzing is super tight. Now I did go a little lighter than what I usually do just because my eye makeup is really over the top. Before we do anything else, we want to make sure we bake. So taking a little sponge like so, this is where you're gonna really cut that cheek. And then honestly, you just leave that on for like not even 5 minutes. I really want to be like super glitter, super glitterified. So shout out to Urban Decay with the heavy metal glitter liner. Now you guys, this has heavy glitter. I love this product. So what I usually do with this is I like to pop it in my crease. I take it and I just kind of line. It just kind of gives you like a nice little glitter moment. And then I love this. This is from Lemonhead Los Angeles and they have the best wet glitters. I take a flat brush and this looks good on like purples, pinks. I take this and just put it on the actual shadow and it just gives you like this nice glow. Look at that. It just kind of gives you like this nice glow. We are done baking, so taking that and just wiping it off. Now this is gonna be the fun part. I take my Supreme Frost in color Diamond Wet. Now you guys, I do this every fucking time. I'm not even lying. I do this all the time, every time. I do not change it. It's one of my favorite highlighters in the world. So I take a setting spray. This is Gerard Cosmetics. I love Gerard Cosmetics. And I just kind of wet my brush. This is where it starts to kind of glow. And what this is gonna do is it's just really gonna obviously like highlight you out. When I come to realize that it does help the Extreme Frost pop out way more. I mean, not that you really need to like pop it out because it's just so like amazingly bright. But I like to kind of have like this kind of shade of highlight underneath. And I take a little bit and I like to kind of tap my nose. And then now taking the Extreme Frost and I just tap away. Actually have a really good idea. Let's see what else. So he does have the Lick My Glit and this one has like a nice pink on underneath. So what I do is I like to take it. Wow. So that's very drag. Ta-da! Okay, so now everything is set. Now before we do the lips, I always like to kind of set my makeup and I use the continuous spray from Morphe. This is one of my favorite setting sprays ever. And then now we're gonna put on some lashes. I'm gonna put on a really big lash. That is so big. Okay, as that is drying, I really wanna make sure my selfie is on point. So bitch, let's take a wipe and really make sure like I didn't go overboard with this. So taking this, I'm just gonna All right, so let's see what lipstick shade goes with this. Go ahead and pull out some Jeffree Star. Oh my God, I forgot something. I didn't do blush. Urban Decay has a new trio. This is the Stay Naked Threesome, and it's up to 14-hour wear bronzer, highlighter, and blush. So you guys can get all in one. It is vegan formula, long wearing. It does not transfer, stays true to color. Also, does not contain animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. It comes in a cute little set just like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this orange blush because I love an orange blush when it kind of warms up the face. Really pack it on. It does kind of soften the face a little bit. Now, the question is, what should I do? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do nude. Now, you guys know I am a nude fanatic. This is called Myth by HAUS Laboratories. I start out like that. I take it and I just really blend in the lines. Now I take Jeffree Star, this is Posh Spice. It adds like a nice little brown. And I like my liner to be a little, like a reddish brown. I feel like it needs to be a little lighter in the inner. So let's try to make it lighter. It just looks better when I do it completely all over. Taking my liner, now blending that liquid liner out. Now what I usually do for dimension, take like a darker liner, and what you do is that you take it, you just kind of deepen the edges a little bit. So you take it like this, and this is where you go. This is Gloss Froze from Morphe. Gloss always just like ties it all together. Okay, you guys, so excited. I'm not putting on a wig today because it's all about the half face. You guys, can you guys tell the difference? Look at that. Wow, that is so crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to Manscaped for the perfect way to male groom yourself and to shave before you get into drag. You guys, happy holidays. I have so many videos coming up this month for the last of this year. I can't wait to see you guys again. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you guys in a few days because I have 2 videos coming out a week. I am feeling this shit. Wow. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. You guys are amazing.